What is the difference between good and great? Is it as simple as more attention to detail, or is it the determination to always be better? We say yes to both. As a contract manufacturer since 1962, we put both into practice. There is one more thing: trust. Trust in the character of our people, and trust in our ability to give more value to each customer. It is an attitude that weaves its way through all we do. What we do makes a difference. What we are is a trusted business partner. This attitude has made us a leading contract manufacturer of beautiful, premium quality bedding and home furnishings, trusted by many of the world's leading brands. What enables us to make a difference and earn the trust of our business partners? What are the qualities that weave their way into the fabric of our company? There are many threads of distinction that make us different and better, that reveal our character and create meaningful value for our global customers. What are the strands that make us unique and deliver value? Great people, craftsmanship, innovation, a commitment to both manufacturing and logistic excellence, and a love of beauty. The first strand is our people, men and women, committed to high-quality standards, dedicated to design products of beauty. Another strand is the corporate initiative we take to adopt and practice the highest manufacturing and quality standards, standards acknowledged with our ISO 9001-2008 certification. But we believe we answer to an even higher standard, the timeless principle of doing what is best for our people. Each person is a valued asset, and we treat them with the utmost respect. That's why we are committed to fair and socially responsible labor practices in both the United States and Mexico. As a member of the U.S.-Mexico-Canada Alliance, we are dedicated to promoting activities that improve the quality of life in our communities. We also keep a painstaking focus on the smallest of details, details that provide our customers with more value. We always seek to improve the quality of our product and the excellence of our customer service. We work to be efficient in order to delight our customers. Our facilities utilize state-of-the-art equipment and technology that enables us to be scalable and accomplish the most challenging projects, with quality second to none. In addition to our people, our work ethic, and our technology, there is another thread: logistic advantage. Headquartered in El Paso, Texas, with manufacturing there and throughout Mexico from Ciudad, Juarez to Jimenez, we offer our customers quick and safe access to their finished products. As a partner in the Customs Trade Partnership Against Terrorism, we employ a supply chain security protocol of the highest standards. This protects the supply chain and enables us to expedite shipments quickly and reduce shipping costs to our customers. There's another thread that weaves its way into who we are and what we do. It is our love for creating beautiful things. We delight in manufacturing products pleasing to the eye and to the touch. There's a timeless saying: a cord of many threads is not quickly broken. Each thread, our people, craftsmanship, manufacturing excellence, innovation, logistic excellence, and a love of beauty, weave their way into the character of our company. They make a difference and make MFI a unique business partner that delivers competitive advantage for our premium global customers every day.